Cindy coughed weakly into her handkerchief, dreading another long day in the sanatorium. A gentle knock came at the door. "Miss, there's a visitor with news about a new treatment. It's World TB Day." World Tuberculosis Day occurs annually on March 24th, commemorating the day in 1882 when Dr. Robert Koch announced his discovery of Mycobacterium tuberculosis, the bacteria that causes TB. The World Health Organization began commemoration efforts in 1982 to raise public awareness. In 1982, on the occasion of the centenary of Robert Koch's speech, the International Union to Combat Tuberculosis and Non-Disease proposed to declare March 24th as the official World Tuberculosis Day. More than a decade later, the World Health Assembly of WHO and the United Nations officially recognized World Tuberculosis Day as an annual activity. In autumn 1995, WHO and the Royal Dutch Tuberculosis Foundation hosted the first World Tuberculosis Day publicity and planning meeting in The Hague, the Netherlands. In 1996, WHO and other relevant organizations jointly launched a wide range of World Tuberculosis Day activities. By 1998, nearly 200 organizations had carried out public publicity activities on World Tuberculosis Day. At the press conference of World Tuberculosis Day 1998 held in London, WHO identified the first time the countries with the heaviest burden of tuberculosis in the world. World Tuberculosis Day is an opportunity to pay attention to people affected by the disease and call for accelerated action to end the suffering and death of tuberculosis. That afternoon at the sanatorium, Cindy met Dr. Simon, who described recent drug trials showing promise. Outside, community members learned testing and treatment protocols. Local artists exhibited inspirational works about resilience over adversity. Donations were collected for TB research. Cindy began to feel renewed hope. World TB Day demonstrated how far medicine and support systems had come through open collaboration over time. As daylight faded, she gazed out at trees bubbling new life, and took comfort knowing wherever tomorrow led, shared Virginians could continue conquering even age-old enemies through humanity, ingenuity, and compassion for one another. Unseen to the eye yet ever prevailing, the human spirit would endure through all seasons. From this day forth, Cindy smiled with strengthened resolve to live each moment to the fullest once more. March 24 is World Tuberculosis Day. Here is our painting with all your pastels for this special day, and have a wonderful World Tuberculosis Day. Cheers!